The first important thing to do is understand the basics of trading and have a solid foundation before we're diving into all of these things. It is a complicated world. There's a lot of nuances in the trading space. So we're going to be covering the basics first, and then we're going to get into more advanced topics in this strategy that we've been able to develop over the past couple years. Okay, so first thing that you want to focus on is trying to find high probability conditions in the market. This is going to start making more sense in a second, but what it's important to focus on is we're not trying to force trades. We're not trying to enter at any point in the market. We need to find high probability conditions that are going to set us up in a position to be able to have really good opportunities. Okay, the second most important thing to focus on when it comes to the basics of trading is having a process to be able to contain your risk and allow the winners to run. So one of the biggest things that will hold you back is not being disciplined enough to be able to cut your losses small, and also having the discipline to be able to let your winners that are moving in your direction, making you money, continue to run in that direction. Oftentimes you'll hear people say, if there's profit on the table, take it. And another common thing is just holding positions so that you don't have to actually take a loss. These are things that are hardwired into our brain as humans that we need to learn to flip in trading. So really focusing on containing risk is one of the biggest things that's going to make or break your trading career. The third thing that's extremely important to focus on is to have a solid system and not force trying to find trade opportunities. If you set daily goals for yourself, as many traders do, you'll try to force finding these opportunities and fall into a trap that's called confirmation bias, where you're going to try to convince yourself that there's opportunities that aren't there if you're hungry to make money. So we have to focus on this exact strategy systematically and let the trades come to us. Okay, and then the fourth thing is finding actual pairs with good liquidity and good volume that's going to give us an opportunity to be able to smoothly get in and out of the market.